Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's Rio. So today is a fun video. I've been waiting all week to do this video. So on Sunday, I ordered a socket kit for my ECU and a custom tune. So I got my chip for my custom tune here. So today, which is Friday, my socket kit should be coming in. So we're gonna solder that into that ECU, put the chip in, and boom. And we'll have two-step, shift light, and I forgot, but I got some other stuff on that chip. So I tried to make a video during the week, and it was just not happening. But I did manage to wire in my clutch neutral safety switch, which, if you guys know, ever since I did my auto to manual swap, I've never wired that in for 3 years. But I read somewhere that I'm pretty sure you have to have the clutch neutral safety switch wired up in order for two-step to work. So I didn't want to get everything done, put the ECU, and find out I can't do the two-step or can't do anything without that, then wire that in. But so to save time, I already did that. So we should be good on that aspect. So it is about 9:18 in the morning on Friday today. So yesterday sucked because I was trying to find this soldering wick. If you know what that is, props to you, because every place that I call, they don't know what it is. So I went to 4 places and I could not find the soldering wick to get solder off the board. So I'm gonna make my own. All I need is copper wire, from what I read, and flux paste. So now I'm just gonna go pick up flux paste, and yeah. You guys are coming with me, so I'm gonna do is warm up the car. We gotta get gas because your boy has no gas whatsoever. In case y'all thought I was playing. So I'm gonna let the car warm up, and I'm gonna head over to Home Depot because I'm pretty sure Home Depot was the one I saw that has flex paste. But before I head over there, I forgot I need to stop and get gas. So I'm gonna go get gas first, and then we'll head over. What's up, you guys? It's now 10:15. I'm back at the house. I got my flux paste. I got some random wire, some random copper wire. I'm gonna put some flux paste on here, and I'm just gonna desolder the points where the solder is in the ECU. Hopefully, I don't mess this up, you guys. So. Alright, you guys, so I got the cover off. Now I'm just gonna desolder where the solder is, just so you can see the holes. Soldered all the joints where the resistors and all the socketing stuff goes into. Yeah, I know it took me a while. It took me forever to get the hang of desoldering it. And I was just following the eBay guide where I bought the socket chip from, or socket kit. So this is what I was following, all the parts that I needed to solder. So I desoldered all those, but I couldn't find an R54. Because mine does not have an R54. I also needed to solder J1 right there, but R54 should be below that. So then I went into Google, shout out Honda Tech. This guy, he can't find it, and he's like, P75 only requires a jumper at J1 when chipping the ECU. So I'm stoked. I thought I bought the wrong stuff for my ECU, but yeah. It's 12:18. I'm gonna go ahead and desolder J1, and then we'll go from there. Well, look what I write, you guys. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna solder all this in, and we'll go from there. I'm done. So what I did was I soldered that one in, that one in, that one, and this one. This one's leaning. Hopefully that doesn't cause anything. I wish my kit came with a switch for J1. So what happens if you have J1? You get a switch, so you just press it on or off, and you just run your stock ECU and then the chipped one. But here it is. Put my chip in. So yeah, I think I did everything correctly. There's my chip. Well, I guess we're gonna go find out if I did it correctly or not. I'm so excited. I hope I did it right, dude. Alright, so it's plugged up. Let's go to the other side. Looks good. Yo, we're officially chipped. Alright guys, so that's the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Sorry that was so short this time. It's because I didn't run into any problems this time, besides waiting for the mailman. So yeah, if you guys are interested in converting down to OBD1, it's not as expensive as you might think. Definitely, if you guys are definitely running a test pipe and you want to get rid of the check engine light for that secondary O2 sensor, if you're OBD2A or OBD2B, definitely convert down to OBD1, because now I don't have a check engine light anymore, and I'm so happy because it cost me 40 bucks for an ECU, it cost me 10 bucks for a jumper harness, it cost me $25 for the custom chip, and $10 for the socket kit. So I got 2 clips of the 2-step in action, so I'm just gonna show it to you guys. But yeah, man, hope you all enjoyed. Go ahead and leave a like, comment, subscribe, man. See y'all next time.
Shrooms in my dressing room.